is Canva and how it can help you become a better designer. Welcome back to my master course about Canva. My name is Mahesh and I'm your instructor. The fact that you're watching this video shows me that you're interested in design. Maybe you're in charge of designing important documents for your company like annual reports, company brochures, or even project proposals, or you are a social media designer in your company and you constantly have to create cool photos, visuals, or graphics. Let me share with you, before we start discovering Canva, that it has literally changed the way I design. I use Canva for 99% of these tasks and barely use complicated software such as Photoshop, Illustrator. Canva has not just accelerated my workflow, but it has also made designing more fun, quicker, and affordable. This was possible only because of the cool templates that Canva has. I have started using Canva on a regular basis. This helped me develop a better eye for design as well. By using Canva and constantly being exposed to good design through templates, I actually became much better at design. It's quite amazing. Well, I'm really passionate about this topic as it's made such a big difference for me and my work, and I wanted to share this to all you guys. I've been working with entrepreneurs, small businesses, and students for well over 12 years now, and I'm really looking forward to help entrepreneurs like you become better at visual marketing, and I take this mission very seriously. That's why I have created a best course about Canva. And in 2021, good design will help you become a better entrepreneur, and Canva is the fastest and cheapest way to produce good design, even if you're doing it for the first time. I know so many entrepreneurs, small businesses, non-profits, social businesses, which are struggling with design. It is often overlooked by many organizations, but it is one of the most important things in reality. Just think about it this way. What is the first thing people will notice when they log onto your website? When you hand them your business card, or when they discover your Facebook page? Hence, let me break it down for you. If your website, your business card, or your Facebook or your Instagram page is ugly, the design is not that great or not updated, they don't find you at all on these social media sites, they're going to have a very bad first impression. Keep this one very important topic in mind. Your first impression is your last impression. I'm sure you've heard of this. Good design inspires trust. It makes your business look bigger than it actually is. So now trust me, this is what you want for your business, and Canva will help you achieve just that, whether or not you're good at design. Isn't that wonderful? So see you in my next video, where we will discuss why you should become better at visual design. So let's explore that in the next video. And if you've watched this particular video so far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your entrepreneur friends or students who are interested in learning Canva. Thank you.